Senna's Wind Palette is all about the glow we all love. The sheen and shimmer of these soft, innocent shades are amped up with pure, vivid tones, creating a super cool look. These colors are so highly pigmented, all you need is one swipe. I've prepped Nicole's skin with Senna Sea Algae Cream. The under eyes I've used Sculpting Eye Cream. And for foundation, I have applied Barely Base Sheer Mineral Makeup. And for her eyeshadows, I've used Totally Transforming Concealer. I want to create a really soft, innocent look with this palette, the Wind Palette. So the first color I'm going to be using is Breathless. This is a very highly metallic, glowing beige, and I'm using the Double Eye No. 2 brush, and I'm using the small end. So we're going to put that, look down, in the very beginning of the eye. I'm going to do like a patchwork quilt application, let's say. See how that really brightens up that whole inner corner? The next shade I'm using is Violite. It is a soft violet color with gold duochrome, so it reflects both colors in different lights. I'm using the small end of the No. 2 brush, tap off, and I'm going to use that on the outer half of the eye. I'm splitting the eye in two. So we're going on the outer half and going up past the orbital bone. This is more of a fantasy look because it's so light and vivacious. It has a very soft, angelic feel to it. You can always take your finger and blend. I want to create more of a rounded eye look for her, so we're doing more of a rounded eye. That gives it more of an innocent look. I'm also going to take the Violite and I'm going to go underneath the lower lash. The next shade I'm going to be using is Trance for the crease color. I'm going to be layering it over the crease, right over the Violite, and it gives it a tiny bit of depth so that it shapes the eye. So now I'm going to line with Jewel. I've pre-wet the brush so that I get a lot of intensity out of this color as a liner. It's a super metallic color. Going right above the lash. I'm going to take the same shade and go underneath, right over the Violite. Again, it's a backdrop to the lashes. I love the way this looks now, but to really amp it up, I'm going to be using Impulse to fill in her brows. Just want to really get a lot of color going. Brush the color through. I'm using my Brow Pro 40 brush. Always brush through. Never leave the powder in the brow without blending it. Blending is so important, so always brush, brush, brush through, and it looks just softer and it looks like it's part of you. So to finish off the look, I'm going to be using Breathless to highlight all the high planes of her face, and I'm going to be applying it with the baby face brush. So we're going to start with the cheekbone. This has such a beautiful glow, and we all love the glow. Down the nose, as I said, the center of the forehead, the chin. So I finished the look with Purr lip liner, and then I topped it with Rose Jade lip lacquer. It is a violet with gold sparkle. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Jewel and I'm going to, with my finger, we are going to tap it over the lip just to give more of that beautiful glow. So now it's your turn to create this luminous glow on you.